Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on sharing a watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you find a watch face and think one of your friends would love it, you can easily share it with them. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Hold down on the watch face to open the face switching screen. Then tap the share icon in the bottom left of the watch face that you would like to share. Here you can choose Messages or Mail to send the watch face as a text message or email. You will also have a suggested person or people to send it to. These will be the people you message the most or message last. If you tap Message, you can then tap Add Contact to choose a contact to send the watch face to. The message text is "Check out this watch face" by default, but you can change that if you like. You can tap Add Contact to send the watch face to multiple people. Tap Send to send the watch face. They will then receive the message and be able to tap on the watch face. This will take them to the watch app on their phone, where they can see and download the watch face. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.